Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a glitter cut crease using one of my favorite fall palettes. Please don't forget to subscribe and let's get into the video. After doing my brows off camera, I started to apply my Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 210N with a tapered face brush by Sigma. Next, I'm applying my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 all over the lid up to my eyebrows with an Anastasia flat concealer brush. To start off my cut crease, I'm applying the darkest shade first with a pencil brush, which is the shade Credit from the Jackie Aina palette. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to place the first color a little bit higher than my crease, just so it shows up a little bit better when my eye is completely open. Now I'm going in with a small Morphe blending brush and blending the same shadow out through my entire crease. I also added a little bit more of the shade Credit just to deepen it up. I like to put tape down because it gives me a little bit of like a sharper line without me having to use a makeup remover wipe. I think it's a little bit cleaner and like a lot less time consuming. You just get to pull the tape off and it's already done. I'm also going in with the same Morphe blending brush and applying the shade Edges right above the previous shade. I'm also blending the shadow out with a clean blending brush. A tip that I learned from LSG Makeup on Instagram is that it's a lot easier to get like a more pigmented shadow color when you're cutting the crease is if you clean up your crease with a Q-tip and some makeup remover. So that's what I'm doing here. So after cleaning up my crease, I went in with my P. Louise base and my Anastasia concealer brush again, and I just cut the crease. So since I do have hooded eyes, again, I like to cut my crease higher than normal. But it actually gives me more lid space and it gives like an illusion of like bigger eyes. So I like doing it this way. I'm now going in with the shade Trust Issues from the Jackie Aina palette and applying it to the inner corner of my eye right where I applied my base. I'm now going in with the same brush and taking the shade Zam and applying that to the rest of my lid. After removing the tape, I'm going in and smoking the lower lash line with the same shades as the top lid in the same order. Now I'm just going in and concealing with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I love this concealer, especially because I have dry skin and it just melts right into my skin and does not cake up, doesn't flake, it's just perfect. So after setting my face with the Anastasia setting powder in the shade Vanilla, I'm aware that I just completely puffed everything right into my hair, but it's fine, I'm fine. I like to go in and I'm just bronzing my face with the new Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunlight. And then I'm also adding some color to my cheeks using the new Mora Cosmetics Passion Blossom Dual Blusher. We all know that I love highlighter, so now I'm just going in and highlighting my cheeks with the Pure Cosmetics Afterglow Highlighter. And then I'm also applying the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Toffee to my lips. I'm now applying the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and applying some Tati lashes and then some Huda Beauty Lifeliner to my lower waterline. I also added some glitter to my inner corner just to add some sparkle to my look. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys all love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to see new videos every week. See you guys soon. Bye.